If you're using public Wi-Fi like this, your personal data might already be exposed and you may not even realize it. Public Wi-Fi is everywhere today. In coffee shops, airports, shows, restaurants, even shopping malls. It feels normal. It feels convenient. And honestly, it feels harmless. You sit down, open your laptop or phone, connect to a free network, and start browsing like you would at home. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Public Wi-Fi networks are one of the easiest hunting grounds for cybercriminals. Not because they use advanced hacking tools, but because most people simply don't protect themselves. And that's exactly what makes public Wi-Fi so dangerous. Most public networks are poorly secured or completely unencrypted. That means anyone connected to the same network, including hackers, can potentially monitor the traffic flowing through it. They don't need to break into your device. They just quietly watch the data traveling between your device and the internet. And when that happens, they can see more than you think. They can spy on the websites you visit. They can capture login usernames and passwords. They can read unprotected emails. They can steal session cookies and hijack accounts without ever knowing your password. And the scariest part? You wouldn't see any warning. No pop-ups. No alerts. No signs something is wrong. Everything looks completely normal while your data is being quietly collected in the background. But here's something important to understand. Using public Wi-Fi itself is not the real danger. Using it carelessly is. And unfortunately, most people make the exact same mistakes every day. Let's talk about how to stay safe. First, avoid accessing sensitive accounts. This is the most critical rule. Never log into banking apps, crypto wallets, work dashboards, or important email accounts while connected to public Wi-Fi. Anything related to money, personal identity, or business data should only be accessed on secure networks. If it's important, it can wait until you get home or switch to mobile data. Second, turn off Auto-Connect Wi-Fi. Many phones automatically connect to any open network they recognize. That means your device might silently reconnect to unsafe networks without you even noticing. Go into your Wi-Fi settings and disable auto-join. Also, forget previously saved public networks. This simple step prevents automatic connections that could expose you without your knowledge. Always use a VPN. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. Even if someone intercepts your traffic on public Wi-Fi, they won't see readable information, only scrambled, encrypted data. Think of it like sending your information inside a locked safe instead of an open envelope. If you regularly use public Wi-Fi, a VPN isn't optional anymore. It's essential. Fourth, always check for HTTPS before entering any passwords. Look at the address bar in your browser. If the website does not show HTTPS and the lock icon, do not log in. That little lock symbol means the connection between you and the website is encrypted. Without it, your data can potentially be intercepted. And finally, turn off file sharing. This is especially important for laptops. Features like file sharing, network discovery, or airdrop type services can make your device visible to others on the same network. Hackers often scan public Wi-Fi for devices that are discoverable. If your device is visible, you're an easier target. So when using public networks, keep file sharing turned off and your device hidden. Here's the bottom line. Public Wi-Fi is not evil. It's just a tool. But like any tool, it becomes dangerous when used without awareness. Cybercriminals don't rely on complicated tricks. They rely on people being careless. And staying safe doesn't require technical expertise. It just requires smart habits. Because in today's digital world, protecting your data is just as important as protecting your wallet. Stay aware. Stay cautious. Stay protected. And I'll see you in the next tech tip.